Hello YouTube, Boss Rino, welcome to my channel. So ito, tirahin natin tong kay, ano tawag ito? Franco TV. Ang pamagat dito ay Weeping Woman caught on camera. Ano yung sabihin ng Weeping Woman? Umuungol. Scary night of my life. So wag natin patagalin, tirahin natin ito bago pa tirahin na iba.
But I'm not sure. I didn't drive in. It's just me. I walked in here. I have my gear on me in a book bag that I have set right over there. And I'm going to kind of walk deeper in here, seeing what I can see. That being said, those of you who are wondering, I'm not in India. I'm here in Florida. I will be leaving soon, and the adventures overseas will continue. But as of right now, I was just visiting my family. But I do want to see and get to the bottom of what the hell's going on in the back mausoleum. Let's get into it. So you could see how
ito, ano to, sementeryo.
dark it is. It may not look like much, but further deep in there, there's a big mausoleum, and there's another mausoleum towards the back. And then there's a forest that trickles through certain roads, but they're like dangerous roads, so people go in and out doing drugs and stuff. But this place also has a creepy lore of being haunted, and a lot of it's probably spoken by the people doing the drugs, which is weird because they're probably seeing things. But let's see what happens. I'm not sure. Nobody really goes through here because this place gets pretty dangerous. Now that I'm all covered up in
Tapang niya, no? Lagi siyang solo talaga.
mosquito repellent, because the last time I got bit alive, I looked like I had 13 nipples on my arm. Now, I think I'm ready. I'm a little bit kind of toasted up because I took a nice big whiff of mosquito repellent, so I might be seeing demons before you guys do. Let's turn on the IR because it is so dark. As you can see, there is no moonlight at all whatsoever, but the stars, like always, looks magnificent. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, that's a plane. Jesus Christ.
Oh, walang yawa mo to. Tingnan nyo naman to. Hindi ako dadaan dyan. Hindi ako makapunta dyan.
Out here. I do have some K2 equipment, Ovilus. For now, I'm packing light because I know what this place always has to offer as I'm walking through here. But I don't hear a thing.
Gagong creepy nung daan, oh.
I think right up down this road, you're gonna see a mausoleum. If I'm right. Keep thinking I'm gonna see the old lady. Every time I see a bunch of like white stuff stacked on top of each other, it looks like an old woman sitting down or something.
Gagin ang creepy nito.
Oh, I saw a light back there. See it? Kind of blinking. There it is, you see it?
Oo nga, nagbiblink yung ano, flashlight, ah.
Somebody has a light on in the dark. I'm gonna turn off my light. You guys get a better feel for how far out everything is. Oh, there it is again. It's right in the center there. Oh, there it is. Alright, there is a light. I can see that in my kind of normal eye spectrum as well. But I want to get to the mausoleum first. Alright, so I've been walking for a little bit now. I'm now getting close to the mausoleum, which is right in front of me. Now, while I was walking, I did see another flashlight or some sort of light come from the mausoleum here. But I'm a good almost 40 feet away from it. I want to see if I can see it again. Wait. Right around there.
Patingin, patingin.
Towards the entrance. This isn't even the mausoleum where I saw the pale person. That's further up there. This is just right here next to me. Look. See it? I just saw another flashlight. It's like reflecting off the wall.
Oo nga, no.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn off my IR so that way you guys can see this
Marami siya nakikita dito ng mga mangkukulam, yung mga ganito. Yung mga ganun.
Very, very dim. Oh, this shit is so freaking creepy. Thing is, the one thing I don't mess around with, which I feel like I'm getting closer to messing with, is the homeless. Because you never know if they're going through some sort of mental illness or something.
Diba, ayaw din niya makakita ng totoong tao na yung mga homeless. Yun naman nakakatakot kasi talaga.
Oh, it is too dark. I'm turning on night vision.
Grabe, night vision. Lupit.
What the?
Uy, niyo, minaungol, boy. Ayan, ayan. Ay, lobo pala yun. Lobo pala yun, nasa kanan, oh. Pangano nakakatakot yung lobo. Minaungol. May naungol.
I don't know what that is. I'm hearing something inside. But I'm not seeing anything.
Gagong tahimik, nakakatakot.
Listen. It sounds like talking.
Yung uungol eh, naririnig nyo ba yung ungol?
Down there is the area that I just finished walking from. You see the light from the building? That's the building I just came from.
Gago, naka-night mode siya. Ang galing, oh.
I'm not seeing the light anymore. Now I'm just hearing something. Again, I have not used any flashlight. Oh, this is infrared. Only a video camera could pick up this light.
Galing
like a low light.
Ang galing ng camera niya.
Spectrum camera. Not a normal one. Nervous.
Nakakatakot to.
Freemason chairs. I'm now on GoPro Night Vision. And yes, if you guys are wondering, I am armed. I just heard a noise. Right over here.
Wala, baka nandyan yan.
The last time I came in here was completely quiet.
Wala, yan, oh. Sabi niya, may naungol eh.
What?
Ang dilim dyan, boy.
It sounds like somebody's struggling to breathe. I just got it again.
Ay, gagong dilim. Boy, ang dilim, boy.
Let's see what it is. What was that? I just switched to my other night vision because you guys get a better view.
Yeah, dilim.
For a split second, I could have sworn I was going to run into something.
Tangin, ang hirap na yun, no? Naglalakad-lakad ka. Ang hirap pala talaga. Solo talaga siya eh. Ang hirap na naglalakad-lakad ka na ganyan, tapos solo ka lang sa gitna ng sementeryo, no?
I'm not being as cautious as I usually am. I'm just gonna see if I can record and see whatever I can get. I keep hearing what sounds like footsteps on the outside or something moving. The worst part is that there's absolutely no moonlight.
Nako, dilim yan.
See.
So, madilim yan kasi pag kami nasa sementeryo, tapos mayroong pagbilog ang buwan, medyo makikita mo pa yung paligid mo, medyo maliwanag. Pero pag ganyan na walang buwan, sobrang dilim talaga dyan.
I just heard something up here. It sounds like something hit a tree. So I've made it to the Virgin Mary statue. I do wish I had my Mexican dog with me.
Tingnan nyo naman yung likod, oh. Puro puno pa.
That only speaks Spanish. Hey! Sentate! Sentate! Damo mano! Damo mano!
Yan.
You know?
Nakakabaliw talaga yan. Mag-isa ka lang sa sementeryo.
I'll be doing it with like a Caucasian accent trying to talk Spanish.
Creepy to, boy.
It is extremely hot where I'm at right now. I could really use somebody to talk to.
Yay.
If anyone's interested in communicating with me, I did hear what sounded like a man gurgling, sounded like he was having a lot of fun. But it seems to be no more now. Do you know what could have been causing that? The gurgles? Was he at another P. Diddy party?
PDD
Just let me know. I will hold your secret. Have you heard of the P. Diddy parties?
Ang dilim yung likod niya. Nakakatakot. Mas maganda kung kandila ang gamit niya.
I've been low-key into that stuff. Like the drama.
Attack.
Uy.
Attacked. Who did P.
Watch out for evil.
Yes, I agree. Can you tell me what kind of evil's here? I was just joking about the P. Diddy stuff. I'm making my way to the other mausoleum where I did somewhat see someone.
My body is close by.
Oh my God.
That is creepy.
Creepy yun.
See, that's the stuff I'm talking about. I'm currently inside a cemetery, and the only body that I'm actually seeing right now is this one right here.
Yes, it's me.
Yes, it's me.
Oh my God. Sumasagot
Hello.
talaga.
That's you, the one with the angel wings? Or whatever those are? That's a bird. This says Charles Howells Jr. And Sandra
Air
Perry.
Force.
Noah. Alright, so it threw me off there. That was extremely direct for a split second.
It's not just me.
Oh my God. Nakakatakot yung mga sagot.
This thing's talking to me like
Gago,
I'm
nakakatakot
talking
yung
to
sagot.
Siri. Who else is it? Or
Keep the
sad?
camera on.
Oh, she. Pag
Well, I
ganito
wasn't
mo-
going to turn it off. Damn, it sounds like it's
Pag
interesting.
ganito mga sagot, ayaw na.
Toy.
You keep the camera on, bring a toy. Where is this going, Emily? Wherever you want it to go. What do you want me to do with the toy? Or what kind of toy are we referring to?
You're respectful.
I am. I'm just going with the flow.
Gago, para
I'm
nakikipag-usap
not
sa
going to
kanya.
disrespect. Maybe I'll say a joke or two. Is that okay with you?
Para nakikipag-usap sa kanya.
What's cursed? This place? Because it definitely looks cursed. It is so freaking dark. Line area.
Gago, nakikipag-usap sa kanya. Hindi ko pa na-experience na ganun makipag-usap sa akin yung ghost tube. Pero pag ganun, tangina, yawa na yun. Babasagin ko yung hindi pala. I-uninstall ko yung ghost tube.
What the hell is that?
Uy, ba't may naka-ano doon? May nakaupo, may ilaw, oh.
I think I got somebody on camera. There's somebody up there.
Meron nga. Ano ginagawa niya dyan?
Is that a tomb?
Alam, may nakatayo. Taga. Meron ditong ano, na ilaw. Akala ko may nakaupo. Hindi, may nakatayo dito. Pansinin nyo.
I don't know what the hell that is.
Uy, gago.
I just got up. I think I just heard a whistle.
Ay, meron nga. Ano ginagawa nito? Ano ginagawa niyan? Parang ano? Parang nakabistida. Ay, ang tawag doon? Naka-gown?
That could be where I was seeing the light coming from in the beginning. It's crouching. Holy shit. That thing
Wala,
is tall.
putya, gago niyan. Ano yan? Hindi siya
That is
napapansin?
really tall.
Parang white lady to ah.
And they're wearing like a gown or something. Or a hood. And they responded to my whistle. I thought that was a freaking tombstone or something.
Wala, lumalakad na.
That could be a homeless person. Let me turn off the IR.
Hindi siya nakikita kasi.
This is literally what I see. You could barely see it.
Oo, hindi siya nakikita kasi. Naka-night mode siya eh. Ayan na. Ay, gago. Naka-ano nga to?
Holy shit, that thing is tall. The fuck are they doing?
Asan na? Nasagot yan. Oh, sumasagot.
They're literally responding to my whistle.
Try ko kaya yun, pag nag-explore ako, sisipol ako, no, kung may sasagot. Ah, creepy.
I don't even know what they're doing. It looks like they're going back into the forest. Or going back to the tomb. It looks like now they're walking towards the road.
Lah. Ano ba to? Multo? Kulto?
I just heard somebody talk next to me. It's like somebody yelled or something.
Ang weird kasi, hindi, parang translucent, no?
I am not sure where they're going.
Parang ano eh, parang,
They're definitely making their way into the woods.
Ay, wala na. Pupunta na sa mga ano.
I almost can't even see them anymore.
Nagubat.
They just whistled.
Sasagot ka. Sasagot
Oh,
ka.
that is creepy.
Creepy talaga.
I can't even see them anymore. I literally lost visual. They just started walking deeper towards the road. The thing is, the mausoleum that I'm trying to get to is right over here on the corner. I'm not seeing
Gagong
anyone.
creepy no, susundan pa niya oh.
Oh my god. My foot just fell in a hole.
Gago, nakakatakot
this
pala
smells
to.
weird. Sound smells burnt. Oh, that's weird. I just got a weird... It still smells like it. It smells like burning. It's like a campfire burn. Oh, I'm gonna turn on my light for a second. Okay, light's off. Oh my god. That smell's getting stronger.
Wala, ito na. Sa Musileo na siya. Nasa Musileo na siya.
I'm gonna turn on my GoPro night vision. Now recording on the GoPro night vision.
Ang dami niyang ano, may night vision, may ano. Grabe oh. Madilim siya naglalakad. Eh nung nakakandila ako, hirap na ako makakita eh. Eto, naka night vision, dilim-dilim nito.
I'm not seeing anything. This is where I saw somebody at, right here.
Nakaw. Tapang nito. Lago, sinusundan na siya, sumipol na. Patay ka. Ay, patay ka, Dick Israel. Patay ka, Dick Israel. Dick Israel, patay ka. Kilala niyo si Dick Israel? Ulitin natin. Ay, patay ka. May ilaw sa likod mo.
I can't tell where it's coming from. I think it's coming from over here. Listen.
Wow. Parang napapanik na siya. Matakot naman to. Hindi lim, tangina grabe. Mas okay pa magkandila eh, kaysa ganito eh.
Holy shit. I am fucking freaking out right now.
Ayan na, sumipol na. Oh my god, ginaya ko, hayop. Hala. Oh, she. Andyan lang yun, nakasunod sa kanya, hindi niya nakikita.
What the hell is that?
Ayan na. Ayan na, nakasilip. Gago, ayan o, ayan o, ayan o, ayan. Gago, hindi mo nakita. Ayan o. Ay, gago, parang bungo. Wala, parang bungo. Ang laki na. Gago, itim yung mata oh.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Holy.
Gago, gago, gago. Takbo na, takbo na, takbo na. Oh, sabi ko na tatakbo to eh. Takbo na, tanga. Ang taba mo pa naman. Paano ka tatakbo niyan?
I can't go over there. I don't know what the fuck that was, but that's the same thing I saw the last time.
Ang creepy nun, no? Parang itim na itim yung mata niya.
Right now, I am staring exactly at the mausoleum, and it's right here in front of me, and I'm waiting for any sign of movement. Every once in a while I am getting whistling. The moon is now a lot higher than what it was before. But I'm waiting to see if I could see anything. I actually just turned on the light now to see if I could draw it out. I'm not gonna go back in there. That utterly just scared the shit out of me. I did get as close as I could though. I wasn't expecting that thing to move. It looked like some sort of, like a mannequin head just kind of sitting on top of one of the mausoleums. Or one of the tombs in the back. I don't even know what the hell you call that. I am literally ready to just fucking leave. That scared the hell out of me. I wasn't expecting that thing to move. For a minute when I was looking at it, it looked like it didn't look real. It looked like a mannequin head. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys, whatever you guys think that was. I don't currently feel safe going back in towards the mausoleum. But what I want to do is that I feel safer being in my truck. I want to go back towards my truck, towards the front of the neighborhood, or the cemetery, pick up my truck from the parking lot, drive it back in here, and I'm going to just drive through here as a quick sweep, and I want to see if it's still there. I'm going to cut through here this way.
Hanapin niya, nakakotse na, sasagasaan niya yan. Sasagasaan niya yan.
Lock the doors, in case somebody tries to walk into my truck. Alright, it's right over here. This is how dark it is over there, look at this.
Seatbelt.
Turn on my light. Let me get my flashlight. I'm literally steering the car right now while I'm driving. It was right up there. It's gone.
Ay, baka nasa kotse, hayop
that
ka.
shit makes me nervous. I'm out of here. Nope. That fucker's around here.
Gago, baka nandyan yan, ha?
There is somebody out here. But that looked like a mannequin. I think somebody has like a mannequin head or something. And it's just trying to scare people, and I think it's somebody that lives in here or something. Oh. Thank you guys for watching Franco TV.
Grabe yan, no? Katakot yun. Ay, nakabuiset. Kala ko wala mangyayari, nakakatakot pala. Tangina yung isang monitor ko, papang nagaging. Hindi ko ito may i-off yung record ko. Teka lang. Hoy, lumabas ka. Ay, nako. Buhay. Paano mapuntahan yung ano? Kalimutan ko na pa paano. Lumabas tong OBS ko. Paano kaya ililipat to dito? Hindi naman ililipat to dito eh. Papanoorin pa tayo isa eh. Ay putang ina mo. Ano nangyari? Wait lang ah. Hindi pa naman. Wait lang. Wag ka nang mawawala. Sayang ang record ko. Alt-tab? Hindi eh. Nasa isang monitor ko yung ano eh. Alt, ano? Control-Alt. Alt-tab. Saan na sa kabilang monitor ko kasi yung OBS eh. Paano mo makikita? Sige, try ko Alt-tab. Kasi yung tab. Tanga ka, hindi mo alam yung tab. Alt-tab. Bobo ko sa computer. Ayun, tab. Alt-tab. Alt-tab. Okay. Hindi, kailangan ma-open ko yung OBS eh. Ano gagawin? Ba't ganun? Ayaw eh, nasa kabila. Nakikita ko naman yung ano eh. Kaya lang, nasa kabilang monitor, eh, black. Anong tawag dito? Kabilang monitor, blackout. Paano kaya to? Paano yung gawing isa lang yung monitor? Nakalimutan ko eh. Shit. Lumabas ka. Lumabas ka. Tamo nakaputi to oh. Ba't nagputi na to? Ano nangyari? Boss Tab, shoutout sa'yo. Control plus Shift Escape Task Manager. Display setting. Wait lang ha, titignan ko muna. Sa makikita yung display settings. Display setting. Tapos, ay hindi. Display settings. Wait lang ah. Puta na. Yeah, display settings. Tapos, display. Gagawin kong 2 or select display below to change settings for it. Press and hold. Yeah. Natanga na. Okay, tapos yun. Yeah. Wait lang. Ililipat ko sa kabila. Ah.